Welcome to Jeopardy! Forest-Based Bioplastic Edition. Today we are joined by contestants Mark and Matt. And I am Brian. Let's begin. A short introduction. Forest-based bioplastics, or known as FBBs, are an emerging and promising technology where plastics are made from leftover materials from the forest and pulp industries. FBBs have a diverse use case and can be equally as strong as fossil fuel-based engineering blade plastics or made for single-use products like packaging. In general, FBBs are an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional plastics. This Jeopardy game will seek to examine the production, mechanical properties, environmental impact, and economic feasibility of FBBs. Let's begin. Matt, since you're on the left, you may choose the first topic you would like to try.
Let's go for environmental impact.
Environmental impact for 200. All right. 11 million metric tons of this material end up in the oceans each year. Both contestants can answer this question. Matt is going to answer the question. Matt?
What are plastics?
What are plastics? No, incorrect. Mark?
What are petroleum-based?
What are petroleum-based plastics? Thank you, correct for 200. Mark got that one correct, so you may choose the next topic.
Let's stick with category 1, environmental, for 400.
Category 1, 400. Time petroleum-based plastics take to break down. Mark?
What is 100 years?
False. Matt?
What is 400 years?
Correct. Correct for $400. 400 years is how long they take to break down. Matt, you may choose your next topic.
Let's finish off environmental impact.
All right, we're finishing off environmental impact for $600. The following factors affect this process: temperature and environment. Example, ocean, landfill, and desert. Matt?
What is composting?
False.
What is
Mark?
biodegradable?
What is biodegradable? Correct for $600. All right, Mark, choose your next topic.
Let's go category 4, uses for
Category
200.
Uses for $200. Plastics made from biomass, but not biodegradable. This is a tricky one. Mark?
What is biobased?
What is biobased? Correct for $200. Plastics made from biomass, but not biodegradable. That is a bio-based plastic. Thank you. All right, Mark, you may choose your next topic.
Category 4, uses, 400.
400 for uses. Plastics that can be easily broken down by nature and used in applications with short lifespans. Matt?
What are single-use bioplastics?
Incorrect.
I'm going to skip this one, Brian.
Skip. All right. The answer to this is, what is single-use packaging? Close to plastic, but in this case we're talking specifically about packaging. Single-use packaging can be broken down into 2 categories. The first is plastics that are not biodegradable, and after their use will have to go to a landfill, or worse, in the ocean or in the forest. Excuse me. The second category is biodegradable single-use plastics, which of course can be degraded with means of natural breakdown properties. We have a graph to demonstrate. As you can see, packaging takes up almost majority of plastics used by us in 2021. So if we could create that and make it all biodegradable, that would take a huge impact off, or a huge burden off of the earth at the moment. As you can see, some of it is biodegradable at the moment, but we have a lot more work to be done. All right, well, since Matt, you got that incorrect, Mark, you may start.
Material properties for 200.
Material properties for 200. Adding this material to existing polymer increases strength, reduces cost, and increases water uptake. Matt.
What is cellulose?
False. False. Mark.
What is lignin?
Yes, what is lignin? Correct for $200. Alright, Mark, you may pick your next topic.
Material properties 400.
Material properties 400. Back to material properties. Let's see if we can keep it going. Bioplastics that do not melt. Matt.
What are thermosets?
Thermoset, correct. Thermoset for 400. Alright, Matt, you may pick your next topic.
Let's finish off material properties.
Alright, material properties it is for $600. Let's keep going. Forest-based bioplastics manufactured to withstand high force, high heat, and chemically demanding environments that can perform as well as fossil fuel-based plastics. Mark.
What is engineering grade?
Correct.
Plastics?
Correct for $600. Alright, Mark, you may choose your next victim.
Let's finish off material properties.
Material properties it is. $600 material properties. Max tensile strength of a lignin-based bioplastic. Mark.
What is 50 MPa?
False. I'm sorry to say false. Matt.
What is 130 MPa?
Oh, this is false. I apologize to you both. The correct answer for max tensile strength of lignin-based bioplastics is 128 megapascals. I'm surprised neither of you knew this. This is a specific lignin-based bioplastic that was designed by Yale Labs. Well, since neither of you got it right, Mark, you may start.
How it's made for 600.
How it's made, 600, all right. This group of bioplastics have chemical structures that are specialized to be used with bio-based materials. Mark.
What are polymers?
False. Close, but false. Matt.
What are dedicated polymers?
Correct. What is dedicated polymers? That's great. There are roughly two groups of bioplastics, dedicated polymer and drop-in polymer. Dedicated polymers are a group of bioplastics that have a chemical structure that are specialized, which means this plastic has been designed with the intent to be used with natural-based chemicals like from forest industries. Whereas drop-ins are your generic plastics and you've modified the chemicals inside of a tree to work for that. All right, good job, Matt. For $600, you may choose your next topic.
Let's go how it's made, 200.
How it's made at 200. Bioplastics are built from this waste product in chemical pulp. Matt.
What is black liquor?
False. Mark.
What is white liquor?
False. The answer is, what is lignin? Although, if I was nicer, I might have given it to what is black liquor. Matt will alternate. You may start with the next question.
Let's do economic impact, 200.
Economic impact, 200. Starting it off easy. Plastics are this form of economy. Mark.
What is circular economy?
Beautiful. What is circular economy? That's great. Currently, most plastic use, so non-bio-based or non-biodegradable plastics, are in the form of a linear-based economy where there's no circular at all. The plastic will then go to a landfill and never be used again. You can see here that a bio-based and biodegradable plastic, you can see how the circular economy works. It gets used, it can be biodegraded, separated, collected, and used for many things. In this case, recycled, or in this case, composted, turned into a plant again. That plant can then be made into another bioplastic. It is always going, no waste. All right, back to Panda. Great job, Mark. You may choose your next topic.
Let's go economic impact 600.
600, alright, jumping up. What percentage of worldwide plastic market consists of bioplastics?
That
Matt?
is 0.2%.
False. False. Mark,
What is 1%?
what is 1%? That is correct. 1% of the worldwide plastic market consists of bioplastic. Alright, Mark, great job with that. Let's go with your next topic.
Economic impact 400.
Economic impact for 400. The main barriers to the widespread adoption of bioplastics are... Mark.
What is performance?
False. Incorrect. Matt.
What is production and cost?
Production and cost, exactly. So great. So the production and cost at the moment is what's holding back. Performance, as we've actually discussed already, Mark, is pretty okay for this. As we can see, the winner's Mark. Great, with $2,600 you're going home with today. Congratulations, Matt. You're going home with a measly $1,400. That's fine. Mark, great job today. Great job today. You are the winner. Congratulations.